Welcome back to our channel Ask Deb's Legacy, where we bring your ideas on how and why you should be making $900 days online. Greetings from Ask Deb's Legacy again. I'm going to walk you through the process of using ChatGPT to produce excellent content for your web business now. This is going to transform your game if you're having trouble coming up with ideas for content, engaging with your audience, or maintaining consistency. Stay tuned because I'll also show you how to maximize your online success. Use ChatGPT to make video hooks and quickly create content in batches. Let's get started. 1. Understand your audience and their issues. It will be difficult to produce content that resonates if you don't know who your target client is. Finding their main pain spots is the first step. Here are a few instances. Having trouble paying off credit card debt? A passive income source is the answer. Too busy to start a business? Automation is the answer. Lacking technical expertise? Pre-built systems are the answer. Are you introverted? Attraction marketing techniques are the answer. After you've outlined these issues and their fixes, you may produce content that specifically addresses the demands of your audience. 2. Using ChatGPT for content creation. Let's discuss how ChatGPT can assist us in creating content now that we are aware of our audience. Consider ChatGPT to be the cake. It provides the framework, but you are the cherry on top that adds individuality to your content. I asked ChatGPT, for instance, I'm an online business mentor that helps families get out of credit card debt by using a passive income system. Could you provide me with 3 video hooks that stop scrolling? And this is what I got out of it. Imagine having money in your account when you get up and not having to do anything. Do you have too much credit card debt? With the use of an automated revenue stream, I can assist you in breaking free. What if you could work from home and earn money all day, every day? Let me demonstrate. You see how strong that is? It draws attention right away. 3. Improving hooks to increase involvement. Let's go one step further now. I requested that ChatGPT give my hooks more emotion, and this is what I received. You put in a lot of effort at work every day, but your debt keeps growing. Could I tell you that there is a way out? It's the same struggle each time you check your bank account. What if that could be changed right now? The hooks become more engaging and relevant with a small change. 4. Batch creating content for maximum efficiency. Expert advice. Quit producing stuff every day. Batch creation is preferable. What I do is as follows. Every week, set aside 2 hours. Use ChatGPT to create 21 video hooks, or 3 videos every day for 7 days. Record several videos in a single session. To provide variation, switch up your attire between a few videos. This method maintained my content pipeline full and saved me hours. 5. Reviewing past content to improve future videos. I examine my top-performing material every Sunday. Which videos received the most interaction? Which subject struck a chord with my audience the most? Which hooks were most effective? I then turn those concepts into brand new videos. Why not try a different approach to a style that has previously worked? 6. Focus on small wins, not virality. Many individuals believe that viral videos are necessary for success. But you know what? Without a single viral video, I was able to build a 6-figure business. Even 50 views on a video means that 50 strangers are learning about you for the first time. In the long term, consistency is preferable to virality. 7. Build an email list alongside social media. Social media is fantastic, but on sites like YouTube and TikTok, you have no control over your audience. To nurture those leads, move them to a private community or your email list instead. 8. Managing mindset and overcoming discouragement. A lot of folks quit too soon. Why? Because when a video doesn't go well, they lose hope. However, keep in mind, procrastination results from discouragement. Explanations result from procrastination. Failure is the result of excuses. Maintain consistency even in the face of modest growth. 9. Use attraction marketing to bring customers to you. Put an end to cold calling and lead chasing. Creating worthwhile content that attracts your ideal audience is known as attraction marketing. People want to conduct business with you by nature when you inspire and educate them. 10. Handling criticism and staying focused. Not everybody will be on your side. Some people will mistrust you or criticize you. However, keep in mind, people who are successful don't waste time on negative. People who are hurt people. Be in the company of positive, like-minded people. Don't allow negativity stop you from pursuing your goals. Thanks for watching. It's time to get started now that you understand how to use ChatGPT to produce content. Please like, subscribe, and comment below if this was useful. I'd love to know what you learned most from it. Check out my free content production plan at https://www.askdebislegacy.com. If you're prepared to advance your online business. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment. Stay informed. Stay ahead, as it helps our channel's ratings. Until next time. Don't miss this next one, it's big.